In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to save your Canva designs as PDF files. Whether you're using Canva on a desktop computer or a mobile phone with the Canva app, the process is quite similar. Let's get started. Begin by launching Canva and either creating a new design or opening an existing one that you want to save as a PDF. Once your design is ready for download, navigate to the top right corner of the Canva interface. You'll see a Share option. Click on it. Then select Download from the drop-down menu. In the download settings, locate the File Type option. By default, it's set to PNG, which is an image file format. Click on it to open the file format options. Now you'll see two PDF options, PDF Standard and PDF Print. If your design contains high-quality graphics and is intended for printing purposes, select PDF Print. This option will preserve the graphics quality, but the file size might be larger. If your design mainly consists of text or is for digital use, it's recommended to choose PDF Standard. This option will produce a smaller file size while maintaining good quality for text. After selecting your preferred PDF format, click the Download button. Canva will generate your PDF file, and depending on your browser settings, it will either prompt you to choose a download location or save the file to your default download folder. In my case, the PDF file was saved to my computer's Downloads folder. You can access your saved PDF in the same way, and when you open it, you'll see that your Canva design has been successfully converted to a PDF. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to save your Canva designs as PDF files. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by clicking the thumbs up button below and subscribing to our channel.